Mine sounds so much harder now. Sam said mine sounds louder. I'm talking about straight off the FedEx truck into the truck. What do you think?
Yeah, I do YouTube videos. You share mine. I'm ready, man. Oh yeah? Appreciate it. You ready? I like to hear it. Yeah, man. I like the box. Did you build it?
Yeah, just threw it together.
Nice. All right.
I don't know if that's something. No, it's empty.
Yeah, I ran out of time or I'd have this all looking pretty.
Oh, it's all right, man. Sometimes pretty's not loud.
True,
as long as it's playing, that's what matters, I guess. For some people, it just depends on who you are.
Yeah. This song just kind of starts out banging.
Okay.
Sure.
Used to be. On my turf from the man, I just put in your car. SMG ain't not a man, but it ain't like it used to be. It ain't like it used to be. Third of the Mac, man, I work for the band. On my turf from the man, I just put in your car. SMG ain't not a man, but it ain't like it used to be.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah, no problem.
So what was your name and a full walk around now for the intro?
Nick Berkey.
Okay.
I got PRV mids, Rockford highs, and SoundQubed HDX 18 on a cab 1600.
Okay. And it's just a demo. It's not you compete it yet.
I mean, this is one of my first meets, so
okay.
I might meet her.
All right. Yeah. Awesome, man. Well, nice to meet you, man. Thanks for watching my videos and appreciate the demo, man.
Thanks.
Awesome. I like your doors.
Thanks,
PRV.
bro.
Did you do this?
Yeah, I did everything.
Awesome. Make it work. I like it. Appreciate it, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.